have a special delivery from Ring. This is a camera with 1080p video, two-way talk using the built-in speaker and audio system. It is motion activated. It has night vision and a removable battery. We also purchased the optional solar panel if you do not have access to a power source. Well, I'll move this out of the way for a second and let's see what's inside the box. I really like the packaging to this. It feels very premium and nice. So we just open the box. The first thing we have on top is some instructions to set it up. Just slide that over there. And then we have a sticker. Let's see, next we have more instructions. There's a lot of paper in this box. I think safety manual. Ooh, a nice little note from Ring. Hello. And then we have the camera itself, snugly secured in some cardboard. Set that right there. And here we have the power supply and mounting hardware. So, let's see what's inside here. On top, we have the removable battery. 2-pack, has a micro USB, which I can't say I'm a fan of. Really wish they could have put in a USB-C, but what are you gonna do? Some screws, and the power cord for the micro USB to recharge the battery. So here we have the camera itself, and I'm just gonna remove that tape. Very satisfying. And I would like to see how this thing pops out. So there's a little quick release there, and the battery should just slide right in. Just like that. Obviously it's not charged yet, but I think with the wall mount, it would be up and running.
Welcome to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
If you do want to place this anywhere in your house, you don't need the wall mount. You can just set it up like this, and it's adjustable. So now we move on to the Ring solar panel to charge the camera. This thing has adjustable mounting bracket, a quick and easy installation, or so they say, and a weather-resistant design. Well, let's see what's inside the box. So on the top, we have some instructions. Just gonna put those off to the side. And then we have to be what looks like a very nice solar panel. Very rugged feeling. And I like the color choice too. Here we have the mounting bracket for this solar panel, which should just slide in like that. And they weren't lying when they said installation and setup is easy. Here we have a screwdriver that can flip over 2 sides, which is always nice to see. We also have drill bit, which, you know, great. And we have the screws. Well, I think that's going to be it for today.